New at 5:30, there is a new drug showing promise in the fight against COVID-19. It's being tested right here in South Florida, which some now consider to be the epicenter of the virus. The drug could actually help to keep patients off ventilators.
Doctors running the clinical trial at the Cleveland Clinic in Weston are looking for volunteers to help out. CBS 4 News anchor Francis Wang has the details of how you can help.
It is important to conduct clinical trials, so we have options for our patients. And that's part of the informed consent process, is going through all of the risks and benefits of therapy for patients.
Dr. Carla McWilliams is the chief of infectious disease at Cleveland Clinic's Weston Hospital. She explained more about a drug they're using called Mavrilimumab.
It's a monoclonal antibody therapy. It is being used with the hopes that it's going to prevent the cytokine storm or hyperinflammatory response that has been described with COVID. So people who have severe COVID, about a week or 2 weeks into their illness, they start to get very high fevers. Their blood oxygen levels drop, and that's often what prompts them coming into the emergency room.
The idea is that this drug would prevent COVID-19 infected patients from having to be on a ventilator. Chosen after data from Italy showed promising results. Simply put, if effective, it would calm down your immune system to prevent overwhelming inflammation or respiratory failure.
We have inclusion and exclusion criteria. We never use the patients can't qualify for the trial if they're already on a ventilator.
To be a part of this trial, you must be 18 or older and meet the following criteria: have a documented fever within 24 to 48 hours, have low blood oxygen levels, have signs of COVID-related pneumonia, and you can't be on a ventilator or have a compromised immune system already. Here's why Dr. McWilliams says clinical trials like these are so important.
Remdesivir, or now the use of steroids. The reason we have that evidence that they're effective today is because of trials like this. So it's important to continue to conduct all of this research and offer these options so we know how to treat patients with COVID-19.
The trial will include 60 patients total across multiple clinics. So far, since the trial began last week, Dr. McWilliams says they haven't seen any adverse effects. Participants will be monitored for 28 days. Francis Wang, CBS 4 News.